Good morning, everyone. Today is a Teacher's Day. So I gave a speech about the teacher. First teacher is mother and father. Then who teach their son and daughter every lesson. Then school, college, teacher is their second teacher. So I give a speech about the all teachers. मैं भी एक टीचर हूँ. मैं एक माँ हूँ और एक घर का टीचर हूँ और मेरा स्टूडेंट भी है. So I give a speech about the Teachers' Day. All the teachers, for all the teachers. Thank you very much, all of you. Good morning, everyone. Teachers' Day is observed every year across India on September 5th to mark the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, the second President of India. The day is dedicated to honoring his legacy and recognizing the significant role of teachers in shaping society. Born on September 5, 1888, in Tiruteni, Tamil Nadu, Dr. Radhakrishnan was a renowned philosopher, teacher, and scholar who was nominated for the Nobel Prize 27 times and awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1954. In honor of his contribution to education, his birthday is celebrated at Teachers' Day, following his suggestion to students who wanted to celebrate his birthday. Teachers' Day is observed in schools and colleges with special programs organized by students to express gratitude towards their teachers. Students prepare speeches, poems, and skits to convey their appreciation. Essay and speech competitions are commonly held in schools as part of the celebration. Teachers are regarded as guides and mentors who shape the character and future of students. Their role is likened to that of a potter who shapes raw clay into valuable artwork. Teachers not only provide academic institution but also instill values such as discipline, dedication, and truth in students. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan's contribution to education. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was the first Vice President and the second President of India. He was deeply committed to education and believed in the importance of learning and teaching as tools to national development. His work as a philosopher and educationalist earned him national and international recognition. He was a strong advocate for Indian culture and tradition. His academic contribution and teaching influenced generation of students. By dedicating his birthday to teachers rather than celebrating it personally, he emphasized the importance of educators in society, common themes in Teachers' Day speeches. Students delivering speeches on Teachers' Day usually highlight the value and teaching imparted by the teachers. Many speeches begin by paying respect to the principal, teacher and fellow students. The significance of September 5th and the life of Dr. Radhakrishnan are common points of focus. Students may also include well-known saying of quotes in English, and they reflect the importance of teachers. Some commonly used ideas and speeches include: a teacher affects eternity. He can never tell where his influence stops. Henry Adams বলেছেন। আর number 2, the valuable quotes of different writers is: teachers can change lives with just the right mix of shock and challenges. Joyce Mayor. Number 3, the influence of good teacher can never be erased. Anonymous. These quotes are often used to emphasize the long-lasting impact teachers have on students' lives. Preparing for Teachers' Day 2025 in schools. Schools are preparing various events and cultural programs to celebrate Teachers' Day 2025. Students are being encouraged to prepare original speeches in English and reflect the essence of day. Schools and colleges are also gearing up to the host easy competitions and public speaking events, giving students an opportunity to share their views of the significance of teachers. Such activities aim to nurture respect and appreciation for educators among the younger generation. The day is expected to witness investing, participating from students across all grades as they honor their teachers for their dedication and relentless efforts in shaping their future. A good teacher not only teaches subjects but also shapes our character and inspires us to do our best in every walk of life. They instill discipline, dedication and moral values in us. Their guidance continues to help us even when we are no longer in school. I am not school going, but school going children speech this. On this special day, I would like to thank all my teachers for their hard work, patience and dedication. We are truly fortunate to be your students. Thank you everyone, thank you all, and I speak this Teachers' Day about Teachers' Day shortly. About the school going children and for ताদের জন্য उसी के लिए मैं स्पीच देती हूँ for school going children and college going student के लिए जे teachers that valuable